Namaskar. Breakfast is an energy booster meal. We eat our breakfast in the morning after 8 hours of sleep. So, it is the first meal which we have after a long fast. Our body has absorbed nutrients from the dinner we ate, and now they require something, a breakfast, to give lots of energy to you to carry out the work during the day. So let's learn some healthy and nutritious breakfast recipe that would start your day on a healthy note. First, banana split rolled oats with nuts. Bananas are loaded with essential nutrients. It contains high amount of potassium and it has lots of fibers, folates and antioxidants such as vitamin C. Potassium helps lower blood pressure and promotes heart health. Rolled oats are extremely healthy, gluten-free whole grains. It contains a good amount of fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Ingredients: half cup rolled oats, 1 banana, 2 teaspoonful of curd, 2 tablespoons of pista and badam, 2 to 3 blueberries or raspberries or strawberries, option. Method: cook the rolled oats in plain water. Keep them aside. Mix curd and banana separately and mix with rolled oats once that is cooled down. Add the berries and nuts and then serve. Second, vegetable idlis with coconut chutney. Rice flour and urad dal, which we use in idli, have tremendous benefit. Rice is a good source of magnesium and iron. It has even phosphorus, folic acid and many more things. Whereas urad dal is a great source of plant-based protein. It contains magnesium, fiber and potassium. And coconut helps to stabilize blood sugar. It is high in fiber and high in antioxidants. It improves skin and hair health. Ingredients for vegetable idli: 1 cup rice flour, 1/4 cup urad dal soaked overnight, half cup of carrot, beans and beetroot chopped. Method: mix the right flour with blended urad dal and keep it aside. Mix all these vegetables with the batter. Add salt for taste. Steam this with steamer and serve with coconut chutney. Understand the method of chutney. For coconut chutney, take coconut oil or any other oil which you are used to. In a mixer, add coconut and a small piece of ginger along with tamarind water and salt. Blend this mixture well and temper with coconut oil or any other oil with rye and chana dal and urad dal. Serve this with vegetable idli. So what you need is coconut oil, dry urad dal, chana dal, coconut grated, ginger and tamarind. Third recipe: mixed grain parathas with moong salad. Moong helps to defend several age-old problems which are chronic in nature. It also helps in weight loss as it is low in fat and has lots of dietary fibers. Ingredients: take 1 cup of rolled oats, bajra, ragi and dalia flour, 1/4 cup coconut milk, half a cup of curd, 1/4 cup moong which is soaked and steam cooked, half cup chopped cucumber, tomato, beetroot, 1/4 of boiled peanuts and 1 teaspoonful of oil. Now understand method. Prepare dough of flour with coconut milk and oil. Make parathas. For the salad, mix curd with moong peanut and chopped vegetables and serve. Fourth, ragi pudding. Ragi is a gluten-free whole grain that is rich in fiber and helps in weight loss and diabetes. It's loaded with calcium, healthy carbohydrates, amino acids, and vitamin D. Ingredients: 100 grams of jada, little coarse ragi flour, 50 gram ghee, 100 gram jaggery, elaichi powder, 50 gram kishmish, 50 gram badam. Method: in a vessel, add ghee and atta and roast it well. Remove the ragi atta and keep it aside to cool. In the same vessel, add jaggery and a little water to make a syrup. Syrup should be of thick consistency. Now add the atta in this mixture syrup and stir it well. Now turn off the gas and remove this in a serving bowl. Sprinkle the remaining dry fruits on the pudding. Fifth, poha. Poha is a nutritious gluten-free meal. It's high in carbohydrate, iron, fiber, antioxidant, and essential vitamins. Beetroots are a rich source of folate, which supports cell growth and function. Folate is essential for preventing blood vessel damage. So now, understand poha, but one variety of poha which is called as Shahi poha. Ingredients: 100 gram poha, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon rye, 7 to 8 curry leaves, 50 gram beetroot, 50 gram kaju chopped, 50 gram kishmish, 2 teaspoon sugar, 4 teaspoon lemon juice, salt as per taste. Method: wash the poha and keep it aside. In a vessel, add oil, rye and curry leaves. Now add the grated beetroot and saute it. Cook it well. Once cooked, add kaju and kishmish. Now add washed poha and sugar. Stir it well. Once cooked, sprinkle coriander leaves on the top, stir it well, cover the lid and then switch off the gas. And now remove it in a serving bowl. A wholesome breakfast will really build your stamina and make you physically stronger. You will be active to do your daily routines efficiently. So make sure not to skip breakfast. Every morning, start your day with these wholesome dishes which will help you to satiate your hunger, give you tremendous amount of energy to go ahead throughout the day with full zest, enthusiasm and happy feeling. Go ahead. Namaskar.